I'm Nelly Siwe Ngumalo, but I prefer to be called Nelly. It's shorter, it's much easier, and I'm the head of news at Soweto TV. I think one of the biggest messages for women is the struggle for us always continues, but we have been gifted with the gift of endurance. I mean, when those women marched to Pretoria, that was a very significant time for all of us as women to show as well that if we are united as women, there is nothing that is impossible.
Pretty women wonder where my secret lies.
I'm not cute or built to suit a fashion model size.
But when I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies.
I say,
it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride of my step,
the curl of my lips.
I am a woman.
Phenomenal woman. That's me. From the women of Soweto TV, Happy Women's Month.